we have designed a house for Mr. Shriram. Let me take you to the house. Hey friends, we are here in the foyer area. Over here we have given the two tall cabinets which is 3 feet tall and the small seating area where people can sit and change their shoes. Let me tell you about this wall concept, how we have designed it, like mirror, and we have signed it with stone cladding. Okay.
And we have a corner space here, so we wanted to utilize this. So we have provided two openable and closing shelves where you can have your bookshelves, and as soon as you enter the space you can place your mobiles and handbags here itself. Now coming into the living area here, you can place your sofa here, and as soon as your sofa is coming here, so you can have the TV unit here. This is we follow the same concept of stone cladding here. For this TV unit we are providing two openable shelves here and one drawer here. And this TV unit, what we have provided is we are provided with a couple of ledges here and rafter highlighting the attic racks.
And guys, you can see this amazing fall ceiling which has a zigzag pattern which is continuing till the end of that corner where people are sitting in the sofa. Let me take you to the kitchen part. We are in the kitchen area. Over here you can see the slab is coming till here. Again the cutlery set, couple of cutlery sets. Chimney we have proposed 3 feet and then a openable shelf like that, which is continuing till that end. And in the bottom we have given a spice rack like this. The another side of this kitchen you can see over here, you can say as a like chopping counter, or you can say like it's just a cutlery set kind of thing, a small thing. And I said again where the sink is we have provided. Under the sink you can see we have given the units like that. Let me take you to the another rooms.
Hi, now we are in the master bedroom. This being a very huge space. Here the king size bed is going to come here. Exactly opposite to that we have proposed some entertainment unit. Even you can have the entertainment in the master bedroom as well. This being is minimal unit. Here we have proposed an open shelf here and a couple of drawers here. And this is being completely concealed when you don't see anywhere the wires coming from.
Let me tell you about walk-in closet. We have proposed 2 wardrobes, men and women. In women, since you can see the handy space is more, okay, which is going till end, and in the men's wardrobe, which you can see, we have proposed more shelf for them.
Now coming to the fall ceiling here, this is being a very huge space. We wanted to make it so minimal, and we have proposed a couple of spotlights here to highlight the space.
Guys, let me take you to the kids' bedroom. Friends, we are in the kids' bedroom. As soon as you will enter right hand side, you can see the dresser unit which is continuing to the wardrobe. We have proposed a 2 huge wardrobe which is blue and white combination. In center we have just given this color which is white color. Internal wardrobe we have proposed a more handy space where people can store their stuff. That's it about wardrobe, guys.
And this being the kids room, there are 2 kids who gonna be here. For them we have proposed a big study table where 2 pedestals on either side which has enough storage to share equally. And then coming to this side we have couple of open and closed shelves to store their books as well. And now when coming to the fall ceiling here, you can see the fall ceiling. This is very minimal for fall ceiling. We are coming from Bonito very first time. Many of the people think that this fall ceiling is very much complicated. When you see it here, this is very minimal, and we have just highlighted the space with spotlight which are concealed inside the fall ceiling.
As we are in the guest bedroom, you can see in the right hand side here the bed is going to come, and the opposite side, left hand side, the TV unit is going to come. This TV unit we have proposed the paneling to concealed wire, the open shelf, the drawer. The best part about this TV unit, this ledge is continuing till this end, which acts itself like a dresser unit. And the opposite to this unit, there is a wardrobe which is 5 by 7. We have just designed it very simple and sleek with 3 strips of dark color, and another part is the light color. Let me tell you about the fall ceiling. Again, very simple and sleek corner fall ceiling, and in center we have designed the diamond shaped, which is going to highlight the entire room. Let me take you to the another part of the house.
Hi, now we are in the study room. This being a very huge study room, here we have proposed L-shaped unit here. so that two people can sit on either sides and work. When you propose a light here so that you can work in the night times as well. When you see this being a very huge space, we have proposed open shelves and closed shelves. And when you see to it, you have proposed lots of very huge loft for the books. Immediately on the right side of this, we have a puja unit here. In this puja unit, this is how it's gonna look inside. When you see on the outer side, we have not proposed any kind of handle here, so that whenever you place there, you have the air ventilation and all inside this one. And that's it for the study.
So guys, that's it about this house. Let me introduce my team, Mr. Rakesh, my colleague, cameraman Samir and Murli, project manager.
So keep watching us on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, search for Bonito Designs Bangalore. Bye bye.
Bye bye.